Hey Glowgetter, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be shining the light on the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair care line. It's a clinically proven collection that's fortified with rosehip oil, almond oil, algae extract, and B vitamins to restore dry, damaged hair to look shiny and healthy. So in this video, I'll be showing my results over a 2-week span using the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, mask, and the strengthening treatment oil. Is it worth the hype and coint? Well, stay tuned and see, and please don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe and notification bell for future uploads if you like what you see. Alright, let's get into it. So I'm starting out on a 2-week-old silk press that is way past due for washing. It's oily and weighed down, but look at those inches though. This is the longest my hair has been in my entire life. It could be longer, but I've chopped at it a few times since starting my natural journey about 7 years ago this month. Man, time has flown. So for 2020, I mainly kept my hair up in a protective style and do-rags. But this year I'm going to focus on getting my hair stronger and thicker. So of course, starting out with the shampoo, I'm going to get this hair reverted back to curly first of all. And then we'll get to lathering this up. My hair reverted back pretty quickly, so I was really happy with that. I didn't notice too much heat damage. So going in with the shampoo, which really smells fresh and slightly sweet to me. It's like a citrus smell, which I really like. And the lather was very creamy, which helped with detangling my hair, and it rinsed pretty easily too. So this is formulated for those with dry, damaged hair who want a deep cleansing experience with superior hydration and repair benefits. It provides deep cleansing and hydration through a unique combination of algae extract, panthenol, and biotin. And this shampoo is suitable for all hair textures and perfect for those, again, with very dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. And my hair is pretty dry, especially at the ends, so that's what I'm going to focus on. Now for the conditioner, which I was extremely heavy-handed with, but this is a daily super moisturizing conditioner that strengthens damaged hair and helps prevent future breakage. You can use it between your regular deep conditioning mask routine for enhanced results. And it's clinically proven to decrease hair breakage after 2 uses, which I really appreciate. So I'm really focusing it in on those ends, making sure I rub it in very well. This is formulated with 95% naturally derived ingredients. So again, since I struggle with super dry ends, I really want to focus on the ends, so I'm rubbing that in, and it really helped to soften the hair and make it more manageable for me. Next up is the deep conditioner, which is the Allure Reader's Choice Award winner for 2020, if you're interested in that sort of thing. But in a clinical study, the hair treated with deep conditioning masks showed a 75% reduction in breakage after 3 uses compared to untreated hair. So again, this is 97% naturally derived, vegan, and cruelty free. So I just slathered that on my hair, and oh my goodness, the slip on this is so amazing. It instantly melted any new knots that had formed in my hair after I towel dried. So I love it. And the smell, I think, is pretty delicious. I heard one YouTuber complaining about it, but to me, it was very subtle, and it pairs well right along with the shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, I love this deep conditioner. It blends with rosehip, sweet almond, and argan oils with vitamin B5 and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair while protecting against future damage. So the hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it in really well and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Again, focusing especially on my ends, but this time for an even deeper conditioning, you can cover the hair in a plastic cap and retain moisture while sitting under a dryer for about 30 minutes and then rinse. So this mask you can use once per week or every 2 weeks, and it's best to use along with the Briogeo shampoo and conditioner sets. So again, I'm just going to keep running this through my hair and making sure I get all those tangles out as much as possible before tying it up and sitting for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just rinsing my hair out, and I'd say this stuff rinsed out pretty easily, very clean, and left my hair feeling very silky and very shiny. So yeah, now for the styling. So I let my hair dry slightly under my microfiber towel, so I'm just going to be taking that off, and I've got my 2 sections here. But just look at those curls just popping, and the shine is beautiful. Yes. Still got a little heat damage in the front there I'm going to have to work with, but that's what we're going to be working on this year. A lot on this side. That's my weaker side for some reason. I don't know. But again, hopefully this will help my hair. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Briogeo Strengthening Treatment Oil. It comes in this super cute glass bottle, and it actually has a little flower inside of it. So I'm going to take a few drops of that. And this is a lightweight silicone-free hair oil, which is clinically proven to repair 88% of damage after 2 uses. 97% naturally derived, vegan, and cruelty-free. This treatment contains a clinically proven repair technology that seals down hair cuticles that have been lifted through environmental damage and damaging treatments such as coloring, perming, or chemical straightening. So this contains ceramides, will help strengthen and reinforce the hair, rose flower oil, an antioxidant-rich emollient, rich in vitamins and minerals, and macadamia nut derivative for shine. So now I'm just going to take my leave-in and just twist my hair up using that. The African Pride leave-in. I love that stuff. It just is wonderful. I'm just taking this, putting it in every section of my hair. I'm just going to do about 6 or 7 twists in the back and a couple in the front. And again, look at those curls. They are just shiny, super manageable. And just to add again, these products are 97% all natural, contain no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no phthalates, no parabens, no DEA, and no artificial dyes, which is a plus for me. So I'm just going to twist my hair up and leave it in for the week and prepare it for the twist out later, which you'll see here in just a moment. So this is style number 1, my protective style, and then poof. That is the finished style. And this is going to be style number 1. My hair isn't dry. It feels super soft and bouncy. And the shine is just, it's there. Alright, so that's style number 1. Now for week 2, I'm just going to pre-poo my hair with a partially homemade oil mixture. It contains a little castor oil, which is good for moisture and hair growth. So I'll get that in my hair and get it coated really well. Again, focusing mainly on my ends and just really rubbing this in to help detangle my hair as well. And now taking my trusty Q-Redo hair steamer, I'm going to steam all that goodness in to my hair, and then now taking my scalp massager, I'm going to help get that oil further down into my scalp with a wonderful scalp massage. This is good too if you really want your hair to grow and flourish. It really gets the blood circulating to your scalp and it feels wonderful. And now to wash and condition as we did before. And this is after I've washed my hair. My front is still looking a little weak. And now we're going to deep condition because you can't forget to do that. So I'm going to go in with my deep conditioning mask, but this time I'm going to let it sit a little bit longer than the first time. So once I get that all in my hair and coated well, just try to again focus on the ends and my front where it's extremely weak at. And now I'm going to take my Q-Redo hair steamer again, and I'm just going to make sure that deep conditioner really penetrates into my hair. If you haven't gotten this hair steamer, I don't know what you're waiting for. This thing has changed my hair care routine for the better. I know I've had it for about 4 years now, and it was a great investment. So, highly recommend the Q-Redo. And hair is rinsed and deeply conditioned. Looks soft and fluffy. Curls are well defined. But wait. Fresh wash and go. My hair is so soft and bouncy, and the front of it looks like the curls are wanting to come back after they've set. So if you want to see how I got this wash and go ahead and check out the previous video if you haven't already. So all in all, I would definitely give this a 2 thumbs up as a whole. The only thing I wouldn't necessarily buy again is the shampoo. Shampoo is shampoo to me. If it cleans my hair, then I'm all good. So all my money would definitely go to the conditioners, both the daily and the deep conditioner, because the slip was fantastic. So yeah, I'm definitely going to check out other lines in this product line, Briogeo. They've got a few other things that I'd like to check out. So let me know down below, will you be checking them out as well? And what did you like or not like about it? Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, keep on shining.